What's the meaning of cleft? Cleft. Cleft.
Cleft. Cleft. The term cleft can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common usage of cleft refers to a split or division in something. For example, a cleft in the ground might be a narrow opening or crevice. In medical terms, a cleft can refer to a congenital abnormality where a body part has not fused together properly. Cleft lip and cleft palate are examples of this type of condition. Overall, the term cleft describes a separation or division, either physical or metaphorical, that occurs in something.